You ever look around your house during shedding season, which happens more often than you think, and wonder if your pet is secretly cloning themselves? One minute you sweep, the next it looks like a fur bomb went off. Been there. So what do you do besides buy another lint roller? First hack, brushing, but not just any brushing. Use a de-shedding tool during peak shedding season. A few minutes a day keeps most of that fur in the brush instead of on your couch. Second hack, damp rubber gloves. Put them on and run your hands over your furniture or even your clothes. The fur clings right to the glove. It's weirdly satisfying, like peeling dried glue off your hand when you were a kid. If you know, you know. Third hack, wash your pet's bedding more often during shedding season. Fur collects there, and every time your pet hops off the bed, it spreads it back into the air. And here's the sneaky one. Keep your air filter fresh. Shedding season means more hair and dander floating around, and your filter catches a lot of that. Changing it on time makes a huge difference in keeping your air clean. I'm Miranda with Simply Filters, and stick around because next time I'm sharing simple home hacks that can actually improve your mental health.